Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 11 Explore. It's me, Nikki here, and today we got another sponsored items from EVBASE that we will be showing you guys. So thank you EVBASE for sending us these items. So the first item that we got is floor mat for 2023 Model Y for the front and the rear. And we also got the red caliper. So we will share the link of the items on the description down below. You can also use our discount code ARCHNIC and you will get 20% off. We will show you guys what's in these boxes. This is a complete set of the floor mats that we got, and this one here is for passenger side, the driver side, passenger side, and for the back. We do have one installed right now. It's from Amazon, but I will tell you guys that this one feels a lot better. It's like rubbery type, and I feel like it will protect the car more over the years. These are the caliper sets that we got for 2023 Model Y. It said it's made of aluminum, guys, so it's well made, and it also comes with necessary accessories for installation. So I guess everything that you need to install are here, and the husband will show you guys the installation process. And it also comes with stickers. So you have two options, whether you want to use the black stickers or the white stickers. So we will be showing you guys, or not me, but my husband will be showing you guys how to install these and how it looks on our 2023 Model Y. Again, thank you EVBASE for sponsoring these items, and we're very excited. Alright guys, so I will be swapping the old floor mats to the new one. And this is the old one that we got from Amazon. Mind you guys, this is my first installation, so just bear with me, okay? But this is the one that we got from EVBASE. As you can tell, it is well made and it fits perfectly here. Oh wow, so much better. Alright guys, so what I like about this as well is it has a clip right under here. And there you go. Floor mat is fully secured. It won't move. See? And now let's do the passenger side. Let's move this one here. And again, look at that. Goodbye. Goodbye, Amazon. And look at that, guys. I am going to do this. And, woo, there you go. See, I don't even need this one. And now let's swap the back floor mat. Ooh, goodbye. Alright guys, so let's install the rear floor mat. And look at that. Oh. I got this. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. I got this, guys. Whoa. There you go. So this is it, guys. It looks really good. I like it so much better than the one that we got from Amazon. And this is the passenger side right here. Ooh. And the driver's side. So hi guys, I just got done installing the floor mats, and my husband Archie will be installing the caliper covers.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Archie, again. I'm gonna show you how I installed this caliper covers from EVBASE. Let's do it. All right, so these are the caliper covers that we got from EVBASE for our 2023 Model Y, and these are the necessary tools and accessories for installation of these calipers. So we have the like a brace or brackets here, and the screws, and we have the L's, stands for left, and then we have the R's, stands for the right, and we have some Allen wrenches and stickers as well. So we have two options. We could do white or black, but I think I'm gonna do the white one. It looks so much better for our white Tesla. Okay, let's go ahead and stick this white stickers on. All right, looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this caliper covers. I'm gonna start with front driver's side. Let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna start with the driver's side, front left caliper cover. That should sit right on here. It should fit perfectly. All right, so this piece of hardware where it says L1 should sit right here in this insert. The lettering should be this way, okay? Just put that in there. All right, and put the cover on. Just kind of hold it like this to put it in place. And now slowly put the cover on there, just like that. All right, now let's put the screw just like this, hand tighten it. Now let's use the Allen wrench to tighten it, like so. There's no specific torque, but just tighten it, but don't over tighten it, okay? All right, should be good for now. Now there's another piece of hardware that we can install. Well, actually two pieces of hardware. It's kind of like a bracket, an L-shaped bracket, okay, that goes over here. It's basically gonna place this bracket this way, okay, and then just kind of insert it right behind the cover, okay, just like that. And now we're gonna use this little screw, kind of eyeball it right there, just eye it. And now we're gonna use the little Allen wrench, like so, just like that, okay? So I turned the steering wheel to the right so we can see a little bit better, okay? Now let's put this on. All right, let's tighten all the screws. Don't over tighten it, like so. Let's do the rest of the screws, just like that. All right, looks good. All right, that's it. Really easy, really simple to install, not too complicated. Now I'm gonna put the wheel back. It really looks good. Now I'm gonna do the back wheel. Now I'm gonna show you how to install the rear caliper cover. This two little hardwares here, L4 and L5. L4 goes on top here. Should sit right up here, just like that. It should fit perfectly, doesn't move. And L5 goes down here. Okay, just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall it before we install it up. All right. Now let's go ahead and put this on. L4 goes in that indentation right there. All right. Let's use the Allen wrench to tighten it. Let's tighten. Screw. All right, just like that. Screw. All right, that's it. Really, really simple and easy to do. Anybody can do it. All right, now I'm gonna put the wheel back. All right, looks good. Now let's try with the wheel covers on. All right, with the wheel covers on at the front, looks good. I like it. And now the rear. Yeah, I really like it. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.